Ashton. I'm the grandson of Charles and Alice Bird. And my mother is Ethel Bird Ashton. And I think the most important thing that's happened to me in the last year is I met this lady right here, Robin Buchanan, and we have been just having a great time together. We've been to Cancun, and we've been to lots of different places, and she was honoring me by coming to my family reunion today.
Robin Buchanan. I'm a guest of Bill Ashton, and let's see, most interesting, I met Bill a year ago. And I teach school in California and kindergarten, and we're just up here playing, having a lot of fun.
My name is Jerry Ashton, and I am a grandson of Charles and Alice, and my mother was Ethel Bird. And exciting things that have happened this year. Well, one that I found out today that I'm very happy to report is my son Kyle who's a college teacher, professor, is going to be teaching next year at University of San Diego. So he's excited about that, and I'm excited because he was in Philadelphia and he was really hard to reach out there. And I have another son, Kent, who won't be here today because he's taken a new job with Kawasaki as a field service tech for their racing team. So kind of fun stuff.
I am Dallin Ashton, and I am the great-grandson of Charles and Alice Bird. And the most interesting thing that's happened last year is probably always going paintballing on Saturdays. It's just been so fun, and we just signed up for a tournament in a couple weeks.
I'm Marilyn Ashton Larson, and I'm a granddaughter of Charles W. Bird and Alice Reid. And I think the most interesting thing that has happened to me in the last year is I lost my husband 2 weeks before the reunion last year. And that 1 month we had everything in it but a wedding. We had 3 baptisms and a missionary leave and my husband go, and it was an amazing month. But we're all doing fine, and all the children are doing fine.
I'm Dwayne Bird Gerrard. Bird is my middle name, and I'm very proud of it. And I'm a grandson of Charles Bird and Alice Reid. Wonderful grandparents. The most exciting thing that's happened to me this last year, well, I taught school at Utah State, taught aviation law. We had a new grandson born named Maxwell, to Jeff and Megan. And yesterday, just yesterday, we had 2 great-granddaughters born, twins.
My name is Kaysville. I'm Dwayne Gerrard's wife. It's my wife, Adrian. I am, excuse me. What? That's my relation. The best thing that's happened to me, my granddaughter just had twins.
Brad Gerrard, I am the great-grandson of Charles Bird and Alice Reid. Since the last reunion, I've lost my job and moved in with my parents. my 5 children with me. So.
My name is Marilyn Gerrard, and I am Brad Gerrard's wife, who is the son of Kate and Dwayne. And anything significant since the last reunion is that I'm now homeless. We've sold our home, and we are living with Kate and Dwayne again, along with all of her children. So hopefully by the next reunion, we'll be on our own again.
Gerrard, Gerrard, Marilyn, and Brad.
I guess I'm the great-grandson of the Birds, right? My name is Jeff Gerrard, and I have my wife Megan. This is Max, our youngest. Libby's over here, and Sydney just got her tonsils out. And I am Dewey Gerrard's son, and what happened this year? We had Max. We had this guy right here. How's that?
Hi, I'm Megan Gerrard's wife. And since our last reunion, we've had a baby.
Oh, I'm sorry. You just got your tonsils out.
Say your name. This is Sydney K.
Sydney K. And who's your mom?
My name is Sign it.
Is Jeff your dad? Okay. Are you her mom? Okay.
Yes.
Mike Gerrard, and let's see, we're related
Your
by
great-grandson.
Great-great-grandson of.
No, great-grandson.
Great-grandson of. Oh, Charles Bird, there it is, and Alice Reid. Since our last reunion, nothing spectacular has happened.
My name is Adrian Gerrard, Mike's wife. I am
My wife.
his wife. There
I'm
you
a
go.
great-grandson.
Since our last reunion, the most interesting thing that happened to our family, or me, I guess, is I'm training for 2.5 marathons. There, that's good.
My name is Tanner Gerrard, and my parents' names are. My mom's name is Adrian, and my dad's name is Michael. My name is Mason Gerrard, and my dad is Mike, and my mom is Adrian. And my mom is Dad. My mom's name is Adrian. My dad's name is Mike.
My name is Jenny Hamblin. I am a great-granddaughter of Charles Bird and Alice Reid. I belong to Dewey, UK. Since our last reunion, the most interesting thing to happen to my family was several wonderful family vacations.
Knock you out.
Lots of new family members. It's fun to see everybody again.
Alright, I'm Mike Hamblin, and I am married to Jenny Kimos, who is one of the girls that the Gerrards had custody of. So that's how I'm mixed up in this. And as I said, we really haven't had anything real interesting happen. It's just life.
Who's that?
So this is Olivia, and she just turned 2 in May.
Hi, Olivia.
Just the littlest. You say hello?
Hamblin, and my parents are Jenny Kimos Hamblin and Michael J.
Perfect.
My name is Gerrard Rasmussen. I'm the daughter of Leonard Gerrard, who is Mildred and Leonard Sr. Gerrard's son, and his only child. And I'm married and have 5 sons. My oldest son has to have our first grandchild, he and our daughter now. And so we're excited about that. That's the greatest thing that's happened since the last reunion.
My name is Byron Rasmussen, and I'm married to Jolene Gerrard Rasmussen, who is a great-granddaughter of Charles Bird and Alice Reid. And the interesting thing that me and my wife did this year is we celebrated our 30th wedding anniversary, and we went and took a cruise in Hawaii.
My name is Byron Rasmussen. My dad's Byron Rasmussen. My mom, I guess, is second cousin, and I'm third, once removed. We live in South Jordan right now. This is my brother Dallas. My name's Dallas, and
Dallas who?
Dallas Rasmussen. I'm a great, what do you call it? Cousin,
Grandson.
Grandson of Charles Bird and Alice Reid. Yeah. And I graduated this year. That was cool. Interesting.